Hello, in this video I'm going to show the security tricks on the VIVO X200 FE. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings. Now let's scroll down until we find the security and privacy. And let's begin with the device unlocking features, such as screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Let's begin with the screen lock first. We have three methods how to lock our screen. We have the pattern, PIN and the strong password. Don't look at the swipe because it doesn't provide any security level. So I'll show you an example of the pattern. As you can see, we have those 9 dots. And now we need to simply draw our pattern. Remember that you need to connect at least 4 dots. So simply create your password. Now, if you want to save it, click on next. If you want to redraw it, simply click on clear and then create your new pattern. Now click on next. Now we need to draw it once again to confirm it and click on OK. In here you can select the notifications on your lock screen. It's up to you. I'll leave the normal one. And now our screen lock has been successfully set. We also have the fingerprint and the face unlock. Let me show you the fingerprint, how to set it. First we need to confirm by drawing our pattern. And our fingerprint sensor is located right in here on our screen. We need to click on Start Enrollment, click on Agree. Also make sure that your screen is clear, and same thing with your fingers, that they are not dirty. Okay, in here we have our sensor. Now we need to place our finger on it. And when we feel a little vibration, we need to lift it up and now place again. And we need to repeat the process until our fingerprint will be saved. You can also see that the sensor, which is on the middle of the screen, is starting to fulfill. And simply we need to repeat the process until it's fulfilled in 100%. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so you can place your finger from different angles. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so simply be patient and keep placing your finger. Okay, we are almost done, and now my fingerprint has been added. If you want, you can add another one by clicking in here, but now I want to click on done, and now our fingerprint has been saved. Okay, so that when it comes to the fingerprint, let's try how it works. I'm going to turn off the screen. Let's begin with the pattern first. Draw it, boom, you can see that the phone is unlocked. Now let's try with the fingerprint. The sensor appears right in here on the bottom of the screen. Place your finger. And now the screen also is unlocked. So it works pretty nice. Now you know how to set it. Okay, click on settings. In here also, if you want, you can add your face. Simply draw, click on Start Enrollment, click on Agree. And now all you need to do is to simply place your face inside of that frame. And you need to follow the instruction on the screen until it gets to 100%. It is really easy, and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. Also, in my opinion, face unlock is less safe than the fingerprint, for example, because someone might try to unlock your device using your photo, for example. The sensor might get unlocked, so you need to be aware of that. So, in my opinion, face is less safe than the fingerprint, for example. But it's only my opinion. Okay, so now we have the device unlocking. We also can set the account security. We are logged into the Google account. We can click also in here. And in here you can see that everything is fine. Also, if you have the VIVO account, you can click on right in here and log in. So if you want, you can log in into your VIVO account. Okay, now let's go back. And let's click on the app security. Right in here. Let's click on the Google Play Protect first. Currently no harmful apps found, but just let's click on scan just to make sure that everything is fine. Alright, no harmful apps found. Play Protect scanned moments ago. Everything is cool. So we don't need to perform any action. Now let's go back. Now let's click on security scan. I click on agree, Click on agree once again, and now the process has started. Okay, everything is secured, and everything is fine. And now we also have the app encryption. It is pretty cool security feature. We can click on view now, and in here we can simply lock the apps that we want, and the only way to get access to them is by typing the password. In here we have the 6-digit PIN, but we can select other type, such as 4-digit PIN, pattern, or the custom alphanumeric password. I'll select the pattern, simply draw it, then verify, and now set the security questions. In here we have the list of questions, but we can always set the custom one. I'll just leave the basic one and I'll type really easy answers. Now click on next to save it. You can add the security email address. I'm going to do that. Then click on OK, and now select the app that you want to lock. For example, let it be YouTube, and the second one may be the messages. Okay, and now if someone wants to get access into your YouTube, he clicks on that and boom, YouTube is encrypted. We need to draw our pattern. We can also turn on the fingerprint to do it. Okay, and now it's the only way to unlock the YouTube, to open it up. Now let's try with the messages. And also messages are encrypted. We need to use password or our fingerprint, and that's the only way to open that app. So now you know how it works. In my opinion, it is also a pretty cool feature. Okay, now let's go back into security and privacy. We were in the app security, as I assume. I think so. Yeah, I have shown you everything in here. Now let's go into the system and updates, and let's click on Google Play System Update. It is always good to check if you have the latest version of your software. In my case, I have. Let's also click manually, and in my case, I don't need to download anything. Same thing with the security update. Let's see if we have some options to install, but again, I have the latest version. So simply, from time to time, you can check, do you have the latest version of your software and security features. Okay, next thing is the Find Hub. It is also a pretty cool thing. We need to allow this device to be located. And we have, for example, the remote lock below. If you enable it, you will be able to lock your device only by typing your phone number, but you can see that it requires SIM card or eSIM if you want this feature to work. And now how it works, we need to get into that page, and then we need to only type our phone number to lock our screen. No sign in or Google account needed, so it's pretty cool. Okay, and the next thing is the Find Hub, just like I have said. We have the app or the web, it's up to you. I'll show you how to do it on the web. So now we need to simply log in using the Google account on which we were logged in on our VIVO. It is really important. Then click on continue, click on yes, click on continue. In here you don't need to allow for notifications, but I'll do it. And now click on sign in. I can use the fingerprint, and now we have the list of our devices. And in here, for example, we can lock it, but not in here because I'm currently using that VIVO, so it won't work. But let's say VIVO, the Oppo is our VIVO. Click on that, and in here we can secure the device by clicking on that icon. And now how it works. The device will be locked with its PIN, pattern or password. You'll be signed out of Google account on this device. Payment cards will be removed from your Google wallet. So if someone will store your device, or simply if you forget it and lost it, you can enable that feature, so no one will pay using your device and he won't get access into your data. So it's pretty cool feature also. And also, if you click on that settings button, you can factory reset your device remotely. Okay, so that's how it works. And the next thing is the more security settings. Let's click on that. We have the Extend Unlock also. We need to draw our pattern first. click on got it, and in here simply your device will be unlocked if you are on body detection, basically when it detects that you are walking with it. In here you can see how it works, but I think it might be not that useful, so it's up to you if you want to turn it on. And same thing with trusted places and the trusted devices. Okay. I have shown you the app encryption. Now let's go with the app hiding. Let's verify first. And now we can enable to swipe up with 2 fingers on home screen to view hidden apps. And we can also click on how and when to hide the apps. We can enable or disable to hide on screen lock or hide after a period of inactivity. Okay, now maybe let's hit the recorder app. Okay, then click on confirm. Now it should be hidden. It's not available to see anywhere, even in the app drawer. But when we use the 2 button to fingerprint this light, and in here we have our hidden apps. So that's one of the ways how you can hide your apps if you don't want someone unwanted to unlock them and get access to them. Okay. So that when it comes to app hiding, for now I don't want the recorder to be hidden for now, but now you know how to use it. We also have the privacy password below. Again, verify. And here we can disable privacy password or change it if you want. But first we need to enter it. Okay, then verify. And this the privacy password is used for encrypting apps, communications, notes, and hidden albums. So in here simply you can change that values. If you click on more privacy settings, in here you can change the notifications on the lock screen and show passwords and other stuff, just like that. You can enable or disable those features. Also, when we click on the manager, from time to time you can perform the security scan, but I was showing you that before. And also, as a last thing, you can download some third-party antivirus apps from the Play Store. For example, Avast is one of the apps which are antiviruses. You can download it or read the reviews of other apps and then download them. It's completely up to you. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.